the cost of replacing cabinets versus painting cabinets, you're way you can save a lot more than 25%.
Yeah, correct. The actual number is you're probably looking more around 70%, 75% savings. And the reason I say that is I did a number of just a placebo type of cabinet. The last one I just threw to Home Depot for box stores was well over $9,000 just to do some shaker, standard white, right off the shelves, nothing really custom. Well, if I was to go in there and just transform your kitchen, we're probably 25-30% of that cost. So you're saving quite a lot just to refresh it. So
because you're not moving any existing material. When you're
Nothing.
going into replacement, are we saving the countertop?
No.
Or replacing the countertop?
No.
But either way, it's got to come off.
It does. So the thing about the replacement of cabinets, which we do, but it's not as high on demand because it's an undertaking. You have to really get into the nitty gritty of it, and that's your backsplash comes off, your granite countertops come off. Then you have to go through the fact of picking the new cabinets, get the new layout. If there's any change in your layout, then you got to get other trades involved. You got to get your plumber involved. You got to get your electrician involved. And then here's something most people don't even think about, the footprint of your flooring. Once your bases are down on the ground, it's sitting on concrete. Well, you have tile or you have Formica or not Formica, you have laminate. All that has to be adjusted as well to fit the new footprint. So the cost of doing a full kitchen remodel, which we have done many of, is on the high end. You're looking at your cabinet cost, granite cost, and then all the other trades.